Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today, initially, I was trying to do a mukbang of some Megan Thee Stallion Hottie Chicken Sandwich and also the Hottie Nuggets, but unfortunately, they only gave me what they wanted me to get. They gave me 1/3 of my order, which is a two can dine. I think 5 pieces of chicken. And I got 2 sides, red beans and rice, and also some fries. It looked like they was like literally shaking the bag around during the whole process of cooking it and bagging it basically and having it delivered to me. So now I'm like, what the heck? It's a slap in the face because they did end up giving me the Popeyes Meg the Stallion Hottie Sauce, which is like, what the hell? I didn't, like, you literally just gave me one. And they was supposed to, I thought, like, initially, at first, I thought they was gonna load all the stuff up. Like, when I looked outside or whatever, they just had this small bag in my, by my door, and they just had this box. So I assumed, hey, they was trying to be productive today, by not wasting a lot of paper, and they bagged it up in one box. I was trying to be optimistic or whatever, and then I looked up, I was like, nah, none of my shit is here. And yeah, I looked in the bag, it was just this. So that was just like a downer because I actually wanted to try it when it was released, which is today, which is some BS. So I guess the chicken sandwich and the nuggets not a really big deal. I guess I can try it with this actual sauce. So yeah, I already got my money back, so I must try it. Or try a sauce at least. I'm wearing this robe that my mom bought me when I was in the hospital. It's really comfy, and I like the actual, like the ears and stuff like that. But it gets hot really, well, it get hot really fast, basically. Of course. It must have been ran out of orders or something, but it's some big thing why you just didn't tell me that, hey, they didn't have it in stock. Then I would have just did something else. Catch y'all on a different day. Ah, crap. But yeah, this is rice or whatever. I'm not for sure if it's gonna be seasoned good. In the food, I never eat that big breast that they be including with the 5-piece. Sometimes, normally it be bigger than this. It'd be like 2 times this size in Popeyes, but it looks somewhat edible. Okay. I guess they did whatever they wanted to do with my order today. That's good. I forgot. Too much crap. Here. I really be thinking about cutting my hair off, to be honest, too. I don't know, it's just be a thought. So now I'm about to try the Megan Thee Stallion hot sauce. Kind of bummer. Yeah, I gotta take this off. This reminds me of like when you go to Chinese restaurants and they have like that sweet and sour sauce almost and a little bit of hot sauce in it. That's exactly what it tastes like. When they be having those wings at like that type of Chinese place, that's exactly how it tastes like to me. Yeah. It's good though. Yeah, I don't see anything different. That's exactly how it reminds me of. But it's good. Now that I've stirred the sauce around a little bit more, it's more spicier at the bottom. Maybe I should have shaked it up or stirred it up first. I like it. Let me see what's all in the season. Of course, hot sauce. Aged red cayenne pepper, distilled vinegar, salt, water, sugar, corn syrup, honey, food starch modified. And also distilled vinegar, of course. Sounds like pretty easy to make. What the heck? Hell, no, hell yeah. I would basically eat this with chicken. I'm glad that they basically messed up my order. I don't think I would want it with no dang chicken nuggets or a dang chicken sandwich. Yeah, I like it. Pretty good. Where's some onion? Other than that, yeah. Yeah, the rice and beans are not good. Alright, the rice is hard. I'll be drinking the ginger ale as well. This is going to be my one for the week after this. That food was, I don't know if the chicken is so good. but it's not spicy. The chicken is not spicy, which I asked for, of course. It seemed like they never give spicy chicken. But it smelled from that. Yeah, I don't think I can do it. See, that's some greasy ass crap. Popeyes. I just squeezed a little. Let me see. Yep, I'm not gonna be eating none of this chicken. The legs wasn't that greasy. Let's see. I don't see that. Let me see if I can have some dripping. Yeah. Yep, look like I'm getting my own money back. Look at that crap. Yep, I'm done for the night, but damn. Damn. Like, y'all serious? That was a lot. The season is really good though. Excuse me. I wouldn't really go up there just to get this, but that's probably the only thing that was good on my meal. But I would get it, not necessarily for the Popeyes food, cause like every time I go to Popeyes, well lately they have been trash. I don't know if it's just this neighborhood or what. But next time, maybe when I'm not at my house or in another area, I'll probably try to get some Popeyes again. But as far as now, heck nah. It's nasty as hell. I feel kind of nauseous now, for real. I was feeling nauseous before I actually made this video. But yeah, I feel nauseous now after just looking at that oil ooze out. Yeah, I guess that's just too much. Too much. Yeah. I don't know who the hell, what the hell, and let that crap drain off. It was in that of a rush. I guess that's why when I cook my own food or whatever, I don't have nobody to blame but me. But this is like unacceptable. It's just disgusting. I almost died. Dang. But yeah, guess I'll see you guys on the next video. I was trying to actually eat. I had an appetite today. So, yeah. I thought I was gonna actually enjoy whatever the hell Popeyes thought this was. I think I might throw it out the window or something. Let whoever savage dogs eat the crap. This is disgusting. Just a waste of chicken. That's the waste of chicken. Excuse me. I'm done. But hopefully everybody is having a great week. Like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you feel like doing. I'll see you guys on the next video, hopefully with some better food, way better food than this, because this is trash.